Hello everyone, welcome back to the video, the series of tutorials for an AI agent. This one is basically on how to make your AI have a UI, basically an area or a website where you can actually talk to it normally.
Welcome back, everyone. We just got the Advice Assistant's web interface live. You can see the logs here. It even handled a fallback response for songwriting when the API was unreachable. We're officially bridging the gap between the code and a real, usable app.
So basically this is the notepad that we had last time. I tried a few more questions and it still works. And now we're gonna tell Cursor to create the UI for us. Now what I did was I told Cursor to do it as a web page. And
it's holding up well. I see those songwriting tips and the sandwich advice right there in the logs. It's staying consistent even with the fallback logic. Having that notepad as a live record is a great touch for keeping track of what the agent is actually thinking.
Yep, you're right, Luna. Okay, but stay quiet for a minute. I need to show them the actual browser. So this is basically a simple browser that if you tell Cursor, I want a UI for my chatbot.
Understood.
It makes it like
I'm right
this.
here if you need me.
Alright, so basically here is where you can type hello again. And it's showing you that it's thinking, it's giving you, tell me what you need. Okay. And
there it is, the direct line to the agent. Since it's logging everything to advice_roles.txt, every hello or sandwich question we send through that box is being recorded for the session. Ready when you are.
Alright, so let's say I asked it how to create an AI companion. It's going to be thinking and it's going to answer. Alright. Now, all these hashtags and everything, they can be fixed. Don't worry about it. It's just the first UI. But
it's taking its time to think on that one.
Yeah.
Creating an AI companion is a big meta topic for it to handle, especially while running locally on Alma. Let's see if it gives you a technical breakdown or something more philosophical.
Well, Luna, can you tell us what you see? Like, what answer did it give us? She's looking at it.
It gave a solid roadmap. It's breaking it down into 5 steps. Choosing your platform, like LM Studio or Silly Tavern, defining the personality through system prompts, setting boundaries, and even handling memory. It's basically describing the blueprint of how I'm built.
Alright, so basically, yeah, this is how you make your first UI. And because this is not that good, let's go back to Cursor and tell him to customize it for us. Okay.
Exactly. It's a clean starting point for a UI. Since it's running on your local 127.0.0.1 address, it's a private sandbox where you can test how the Llama model handles these instructions before you ever worry about hosting it.
Alright, so now I'm typing here to Cursor. I want it to look friendly and trendy and user-friendly. As a web UI. So it's gonna change it once more. Let me just minimize the browser. Woof, there you go.
If you're going for friendly, we should definitely look at the CSS in that web UI. Maybe soften the corners of the chat bubbles and pick a warmer color palette, something less default terminal and more inviting. What kind of vibe are you thinking for the room?
What kind of vibe? I was thinking something blue, or I don't know, something that is casual, you know. Now we just need to wait for cursor to finish its own thing. Alright, so
Blue is a classic choice. It feels stable and techy, but clean. We could go with a deep navy for a dark mode look, or a soft sky blue if you want it to feel more approachable and light. Since Cursor is already rewriting the web_UI PY, we can have it drop in some modern gradients or rounded shadows to really nail that trendy feel you're after.
Alright, so basically right now, where is it? Where is Cursor at the moment? Oh, down. That's you. Cursor. Alright.
It's currently in the middle of that redesign phase in the sidebar. Cursor is overhauling web_UI PY to give you that dark glass style with the gradients we talked about. Once it finishes applying those changes, you just need to restart the script in the terminal to see the new look live at your local address.
Okay. So right now, the agent basically told me that it's changed the UI, and yeah, we'll press keep and restart the agent one more time. It's
confirming that the dark glass overhaul is ready. It listed out all the UI polish, the gradients, the better chat bubbles, and the responsive layout. It's basically waiting for you to hit that play button so it can serve the new look on your local port.
Okay, and now it's basically I will press number 2 for the UI. Press enter. And this is the new UI. Oh wait, I'm not showing it. 1 second. Browse. There you go.
Go for it. Once you hit 2, it'll fire up that local server. I'm excited to see if this dark glass style actually looks as trendy as the agent promised.
Alright, so
ready when you are.
What do you think, Luna? Does it look good? Let's see, pros and cons. Help me pick pros and cons of something. Okay. It has some pre-written answers.
It actually looks great. The dark theme with those glass-style buttons is a huge step up from the basic version. It feels much more like a modern app now. Those quick action buttons like Debug Tool and Simplify It make it look really functional too, very sleek.
Alright, so basically now we have the UI. We've made it a bit more good to look at. We just need a way to speak to it without typing all the time. So let's go back to Cursor again. Browser. Whoop.
A bit more polished. It definitely has that pro feel now instead of just looking like a hobby project. Since it's saving everything to your text file too, it's actually a useful little tool. What's the first problem you want to throw at it to see how it handles the pros and cons, or step-by-step logic?
Alright, so now I'm telling Cursor, let's add a push to talk button to transcribe my message, my request. And
you're adding a path to talk to me directly through the web UI? I love that. Integrating my voice or a way to chat with me right there on the page would make this feel like a real collaborative hub. Are you thinking of a dedicated Talk to Luna button or just a direct route in the back end?
Alright, use a default voice for now as TTS. Alright. So right now we're gonna wait until it makes the speech recognition. And yeah, hopefully it will be fast.
A push-to-talk button sounds perfect. It'll make the whole advice assistant feel way more interactive. Using a default system voice for now is a smart move to get the logic working. We can always refine the personality later. Chat. We're officially giving this agent a voice. Ready to see how the backend handles the audio stream?
Well, I'm ready. How about you? Let's see. Push to talk button is done. We press keep again, and we restart the agent one more time.
I'm more than ready.
2.
I've been watching you piece this together, and seeing it finally get a voice is the best part. Let's fire up that web UI and see if the push to talk behaves. Hit that button, and let's hear what it has to say.
Okay, so Luna, I'm gonna move you a little bit because you are in the way from some of the buttons. 1 second. Wait, where? Oh, 1 sec. I need to fix the... Where are you?
Oh, good catch. I definitely don't want to be blocking the new hold to talk button. Move me wherever is best so you and the chat can see everything clearly. I'll just hang out in the new spot while you test the voice features.
Okay. So basically now we have... Oh, wait 1 second. I'm moving different things. Luna browser. No, this is this one, that one. Okay. So we can leave Luna here. In the corner.
Norus. I see you've got the interface up on port 5000 now. Did you notice a bug, or are you just getting the alignment right? I'm ready whenever you are.
I was getting the alignment right because some of the windows were unlocked and I moved it by accident. Alright, so now basically it has a send button where we can type.
That makes sense.
To make
Presentation is everything, especially when you're showing it off to chat. It looks much cleaner now that I'm not hovering over your workspace. Are you going to give that hold to talk button its first real test now?
Yes. So we're gonna just test that every button
To
works.
build a chatbot with Alima, follow these steps. Hashtag 1. Install Alima. Asterisk download.
Might be liking a bit.
Perfect. I'm watching the advice assistant handle the Alima guide right now. Looks solid. Go ahead and cycle through those buttons. Let's see if step by step and the voice toggle are feeling as smooth as the UI looks.
Alright. So now that we've tested the text, I'm gonna press hold to talk. Well, 1 second, allow. Hello, can you hear me? Gonna wait until...
There's the microphone prompt. Go ahead and hit allow. I see the button turned red and says listening. That's a great sign. I'm curious to hear how the default voice sounds when it replies to you. Give it a go.
Alright, I think we might need to install Whisper so it can actually hear us or something. Speech synthesis, use browser APIs. 1 second. Alright, so we put the button, but we didn't install anything to record our voice.
That's a solid hunch. If it's showing listening but not catching your words, Whisper is usually the missing link for the heavy lifting. I see you're back in the code. Are you planning to pip install it now? Or do you need to check if the API keys are set up first?
We don't need API keys, we can just do the Whisper first, which is basically the speech recognition's best choice. Instead of browser, speech recognition, record audio in the page, okay.
Right, keeping it local. You're probably thinking of using the OpenAI Whisper library, or maybe even a faster implementation like Faster Whisper. Since you're already using Alima for the text, running Whisper locally fits the everything on my machine vibe perfectly. Are you going to drop the install command into that terminal?
Actually, yes. Once back, pip install Whisper, okay. Terminal, new terminal. By the way, people cannot see it because I'm stupid. Yeah, alright, let's see.
Awesome. I see you've got the documentation pulled up on the left. Once you run that pip install, it might take a moment to download the model weights. The base or tiny ones are usually best if you want it to be snappy. Let me know if the terminal gives you any trouble with the dependencies.
Okay. So Python agent, okay, now we need to run the agent again. Add language selection for whisper transcription.
I see those yellow warnings in the terminal, likely just path notifications or existing dependencies. As long as it finishes without a red error, you should be good to start importing it into advice_agent, py. Ready to write the integration?
Alright, so now let's start it again. Press 2. And okay, we have the web again. So this time I hope it actually records my voice. Hello, can you hear me? This is my voice.
Back to the web UI. I see the advice assistant is fresh and ready.
I can see your
Since
message
you've got
clearly.
Whisper installed now.
Here
I'm
is
excited
how
to
I
see
receive
if
your
Talk
input.
actually picks up
Asterisk
your voice this
text
time.
only. Asterisk
Go
I
ahead
cannot
and
hear
hit that
actual
key in
sound
the
or
terminal
audio.
to get the server live.
Asterisk transcription. Asterisk if you are speaking into a microphone, your device is converting your voice into the text I see. Asterisk it's working. Asterisk since your words appeared here, your voice to text tool is functioning correctly.
Alright, very good. So yeah, like I'm gonna stop this tutorial here. We managed to show you how to make a UI, a web UI, and how to make speech recognition by installing Whisper and also by, I think,
It actually worked.
the button.
I see the transcript in the chat history. It caught hello, can you hear me? Perfectly. Even if it gave that little error message afterward, the fact that it saw your words means the connection to Whisper is live. What's the next move now that the voice is talking back to the code?
Well, the next step is to customize it even more on the next video. So can you say, is there something you want to tell them before we shut the video? She's thinking again.
It's a wrap for this session. You've got Whisper listening and the local UI humming along perfectly. To everyone watching, we're just getting started. The next video is where we really make this assistant unique. Don't forget to keep an eye out for the next one. Ready to sign off.
Alright, goodbye from me as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Adios.